Stationary phase. As we know that in TLC we use two phases. One is stationary phase, other is mobile phase. Okay, so stationary phase is impregnated on support, that is solid support, and that should be the inert solid support. Means the stationary phase should not get reacted with the solid support, okay, on which the layer is impregnated. So we can use different type of plate for the EHP TLC. In most of the cases, solid adsorbent is dissolved in suitable solvent, including water. Okay, the slurry, okay, मी तुम्हाला बऱ्याचदा सांगतो की जसं आपण भजी बनवण्यासाठी पीठ बनवतो आणि ती भजी बनवण्यासाठी बनवलेलं जे पीठ असतं त्या पद्धतीने या ठिकाणी स्लरी बनवली जाते सॉलिड ऍडसॉर्बेंटची. Sorry. The slurry is then transferred onto the plate with the help of spreader. Okay, the plate is dried in the oven at the temperature about 110 degrees Celsius in the flow of air. The time of drying may be varied from 30 minutes to 1 hour. So cellulose with the starch, okay, as a binder we can use. Then microcrystalline cellulose with the fluorescent indicator. The acetylated cellulose, silica gel with the starch, okay, are the solid material can be coated on the plate. In the market, pre-coated plates are also available, okay, so that plate we can sorry use. Okay, so normally plate with the thickness of 100 to 250 micrometer are commonly available in the market. So glass support offers smooth and superior flat surface with the resistance to any type of reactivity. The disadvantages of glass are it's weight, okay, it's a fragile in nature, and cost of production is high for the glass plate. So plastic plates are available in the market, but what happens as the temperature goes above 120 degrees Celsius, definitely as we are using plastic plate, that plate cannot withstand at the high temperature. So nowadays common practice is of using aluminium sheet on that solid support is impregnated. म्हणजे थोडक्यात कसं म्हणेल मी की तुमच्याकडे स्केल आहे, तुम्ही जी स्केल वापरतात ना तशी स्केल आहे असं समजा, आणि त्या स्केल वरती कलर लावलेला आहे आणि तो कलर ड्राय झालेला आहे स्केल वरती. तर तो जो कलर लावलेला आहे तो तुमचा स्टेशनरी फेज, आणि जी तुमची स्केल आहे ती तुम्ही काय म्हणू शकता, सॉलिड सपोर्ट म्हणू शकता. दिस इज जस्ट फॉर एक्झाम्पल, जस्ट फॉर अंडरस्टँडिंग, प्लीज डोंट गेट कन्फ्युज. So in a same way aluminum sheets are there, so on that these stationary phase are applied, okay, and that can be used. So silica, microcrystalline cellulose, aluminum oxide, polyamide, chemically modified silica gel are often used as a stationary phase in the HPLC technique. Okay, तर त्या ठिकाणी ते वापरतात. As I have discussed this in the TLC technique, TLC chromatography, you studied in the 4th semester in SYBSc, right? So in the same way, these are the plates prepared in EHP TLC. Now see what is mobile phase. To select the mobile phase, it's a trial and error method. Okay, so on what basis we are selecting mobile phase? The only criteria is this: we should get the maximum separation of the component on the plate. If there are 4 components in a sample which you are using to separate or to analyze, so all the 4 components must get separated from each other on that plate. Means you should get 4 different spots with a suitable distance from each other. Okay, means there should be a good separation in the component, okay, that is what the requirement. And the volume of mobile phase we are using that is always taken with the help of pipette, and that is always considered while sorry doing the analysis. Okay, so today is again my evening cooking time, and same thing happened as like yesterday lecture. मला खोकला येतोय त्या मिरचीच्या ह्याच्याने. Okay, so no worry about. Now next, what is sample application? How we are applying the samples? Sample application of sample, or the applying sample on the TLC plate, or we can say, yeah, here is the TLC plate, is the same as that of a TLC technique, okay, which we have studied already in SYBSC. So preferably we should dissolve the sample in suitable solvent which is non-polar, okay, and it should be volatile. As soon as you place the sample on the plate, okay, तुम्ही त्या ठिकाणी you are going to apply sample with the help of capillary on the plate. जी तुमची TLC plate आहे त्याच्यावर capillary ने त्या ठिकाणी तुम्ही spotting करणार आहे. Every time once you do the spotting, you have to dry that spot. Again you have to spot, put some sample, again you have to dry it. So why we are doing this? Because the sample must be located at specific place only. जर तुम्ही त्या ठिकाणी त्या प्लेट वरती कंटिन्युअस ती कॅपिलरी टिप तिचं हे ठेवलं त्याच्यावरती तो स्प्रेड होईल. जर तुमचा शाईचा पेन असेल आणि शर्टला लावला, कपड्याला लावला, तर ती शाई स्प्रेड होते, शाई जी असते पेनची, राईट. सुरुवातीला एक टिक्का दिला, ड्राय झालं, पुन्हा तिथंच तुम्ही हे केलं, स्पॉट दिला, पुन्हा ड्राय झालं, पुन्हा स्पॉट देऊन काढला, तर ते त्याच ठिकाणी त्या ठिकाणी स्पॉटिंग होते एक ठिकाणी. वाय वी आर डुइंग दिस? बिकॉज to help, means because to get the better separation and for the better study of the component from the sample. Okay, this is what the basic reason why sample is spotted in a particular way. Okay, so these are what the basic condition for the preparing or to apply the sample on the sampling that TLC plate. Okay, so nowadays कॅपिलरी विथ त्या ठिकाणी टेक्निक, नवीन टेक्निक सुद्धा त्या ठिकाणी डेव्हलप झालेले आहे मार्केटमध्ये, आणि ते त्या ठिकाणी आपल्याला प्रॉपर सॅम्पल अप्लाय करण्यासाठी ते टेक्निक सुद्धा त्या ठिकाणी हेल्प करतात, आणि त्या पद्धतीने आपण त्या ठिकाणी सॅम्पल आपण अप्लाय करू शकतो. सो अशा पद्धतीने तुम्ही त्या ठिकाणी TLC प्लेट जी आहे ती आता तुमच्याकडे रेडी आहे, विथ द सॅम्पल, विथ द स्टेशनरी फेज, एव्हरीथिंग इज देअर. ओके, ती तुम्हाला रन करायची आहे कुठे? मोबाईल फेज मध्ये. नाउ दॅट विल सी इन द नेक्स्ट लेक्चर. ओव्हर देअर यू आर गोइंग टू अनालाइज. ओके, नो प्रॉब्लेम. हियर ओनली I am continuing. Once you place that plate in a solvent, okay, or the mobile phase, now mobile phase start to run on that TLC, okay, and once that mobile phase runs on the TLC plate, along with that mobile phase, your component of the sample will start to move, and the component which is more showing more attraction towards, or shows more binding towards stationary phase, that travels with the slow speed, and the component which is not much getting attracted towards the, or which is not showing any kind of bonding with the stationary phase, that travel with the fast speed. Okay, so what will be the maximum speed of traveling of any component? It should be the traveling at the max traveling speed of the solvent on the plate. कारण ते सॉल्व्हंट बरोबर पुढे मूव्ह होणार आहे, त्या सॉल्व्हंटच्या पुढे ते जाणार नाही. ही कन्सेप्ट सुद्धा त्या ठिकाणी आपण SY ला एक्सप्लेन केलेली होती. ओके, थँक्यू. विल सी रिमेनिंग इन द नेक्स्ट लेक्चर.